Got here a Green Island Ficus, 68 years of age. This is Grandpa Ficus over here. Link in the comments or description. This is a beautiful tree. I have one on my desk, not quite this size. This is about 28 inches or so high. These are really easy to care for indoors, although I do like to take mine for a summer vacation once it's above about 60 degrees outside. Loves a lot of humidity. That's why these air roots develop over here from the nice humidity. These things all come down, they thicken, they grow into these thick roots that you see if you ever travel down to the American South. Florida has a ton of these things, as I recall from my annual treks down there. It's one of our nurseries. It's got a really good, thick, curvy shape, some gnarled bark on it, scored and scarred as you'd expect from age. It's a really cool, really old tree. Really nice character on it. Really nice character, nice roots, nice barks. This is an all in all really beautiful tree.